It's on.
So hey all, we are
Hi.
back
Hi
again.
everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, yeah. And today is, as you all know, it's 5th June. So what day it is? It is World
Environment.
Environment Day,
Yeah.
right? So we'll be solely focusing on this only. This will be our today's topic, the World Environment Day. We'll discuss a few, most of the things related to it, like some around it, and yeah, we'll just start with it only. So I have a question when did this first idea might have come about celebrating on environment day like to open
Yeah,
1972.
1972.
1972. Okay. So
That's the rapid fire round ended, and winner is Rishabh, and second winner is Anup.
okay, so it's like that, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah, but
so it's nine.
first time it is celebrated. It was
In
celebrated on 1974.
1974.
Okay.
1974.
Yeah,
Okay.
first World
By
Environment
the
Day.
slogan by the slogan of and by the theme of Earth, I think.
Yeah,
Nice. You have done your research. You're part of research. I'm very happy that you read my message carefully.
yeah,
Yeah,
And
yeah.
slogan
Actually, it
slogan
was yeah, yeah,
and
yeah,
slogan
yeah.
was
yeah,
only for the Earth.
only
Yeah.
for the earth. Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah,
So hmm.
it was established by discussion and discussion on environment issue by United Nations. Actually, yeah.
Right, right.
Okay.
So
Okay,
let's get some
so
more insights from Rishabh and Anubhav because they had done their homework, and we will come to our part after some time.
yeah,
Yeah.
definitely we can
Sure,
do that.
sure.
Yeah, after 1974, every year wa- one country around the world hosts the World Environment Day
Okay.
by the unique theme and one slogan.
Yeah.
The
Are you guys
last,
in? Yeah. Okay. Okay, Rishabh,
yeah,
you may
say
continue.
Anubhav.
Yeah. I want to discuss the theme of World Environment Day of 2021.
Yeah, I was just
2021.
asking
Okay.
about. I was just about to ask that thing.
Yeah, about yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
I
Ecosystem
think
restoration.
Yeah, ecosystem restoration.
No,
ecosystem.
no. I think I see that the theme of World Environment Day this year is reimagine. You know.
But I have
Yeah,
searched in
it's
Google.
2022.
I have searched
2022.
Google, and I
In
got.
2021, ecosystem
Yeah,
restoration.
it is ecosystem
Restoration.
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 Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Recreate.
Okay.
Yeah. Restore. And it's so called ecosystem restoration. Yeah. Basically.
Yeah.
hmm Okay.
Then
So
I have a
You know
question.
the meaning of what is ecosystem
Restoration.
restoration.
restoration? Yes, sir.
Yeah, so let's
Okay.
come
So
to Manish
let's
Alok.
break it into two. Like, sorry, Akhil. Yeah.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
was giving chance to Alok or Manish to say about their thing.
What do you mean by ecosystem?
You
And
are asking
Ecosystem
like a
and
teacher,
restoration.
restoration.
Rishabh, like you just taught about the environment and you are asking about things.
Yeah.
Uh, okay, so actually, I don't have done that research or that
No, no, no,
research
no,
work.
no. Just a meaning of
Okay,
ecosystem.
okay,
And
so just
restoration.
I'm expressing my views on certain topics regarding this Environment Day, ecosystem, and all the themes that I have gone through.
Yeah,
Just 2 minutes. Okay, so ecosystem, somewhat Environment Day. I think it's just on preach of the rainy season. We can say that this day is celebrated. So on this day, we usually plant trees. Now, campaign type things going on and some sort of like thing. So we people plant tree and on Vriksharopan and all this stuff going on. So just like somewhat we can say a social campaign so that we can save the earth and ecosystem for our future generations. That's all that motive. Basically the motive of this environment. I can say. I think
yeah,
that's all from my side.
yeah. Okay, thank you, Alok.
Okay. hmm
So let's come to Manish if he has something to say about these things, or otherwise you can take time and you can tell it later on.
Yeah, I will take time.
Okay, no problem. Pranjal, do you have something to say or have you did plantation today?
Yeah, yeah, both.
Both. Nice.
Both.
So let's start with the plantation thing. Like, how did
Right.
it?
So I like to start from like theme,
Yeah.
restoration of ecosystem. So uh, uh, according to small GS, like a small GS for our knowledge, the population of Bihar, for 1 square feet, how many people's like there are more population like this, like our population is like 1.38 billion. Okay, I'm
Mhm.
right,
Okay.
I think. uh, like how many trees in India? So according to research, trees are about like one person there are 18 trees.
Okay.
Means yeah, for one person there is 18 trees. So I got for you see like earlier there means if country like when country like changing the but you like it comes for like developing country. Okay, so
Okay.
uh, for developing country we like ignoring the things of environment like trees and this all, but what developing country, for my view, if you can make cycle perfect like environment, this all, these countries like developing countries, I
Okay.
think, for my view. So for that like in India there are like 24 square, means in part of whole India there is 24% like forest area. 24 means you look like upper side, you look there are means in high ranges like for 18,000 kilometer there are only ice, and below that there is only forest area like from Himalayan to Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, like, and from that side like Bengal to this our Chhattisgarh, and including this all range part, means this U shape part. Only for this means you calculate this total area there is like 24% only, and
Okay.
plus minus. I'm just
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
taking this so
Mhm.
approximate.
Just a rough
So
estimation.
this theme is we changing the developing, we changing this continuously, we ignoring this, like, so this means this restoration of ecosystem, because it contains wholly like if you planted if you increase plantation, the cycle will be perfect about everything like water, and means for better breathe, for this COVID teach us for oxygen.
Yeah, yeah.
We need very much oxygen when the critical situations comes. So this means, I think this make that those who the officer means that post that make this thing. So, and many things to say.
Yeah, right. So we got so much, insights on how the things like the environment is
Yeah,
actually
yeah.
depleting,
Actually,
and
actually, the idea, like you see the post of Tata ji,
Mhm.
write very means very what we say. It mention all the things in a small means small words very nicely. So
Okay.
he has like perfect word for that today's topic about
Okay, so
environment.
so I'm
Yeah.
searching it and reading it loud.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
definitely.
Sure,
So,
Akhil.
Yeah,
We
sure.
want.
Yes.
so Pranjal gave us some like deep insights on why, like how environment is actually depleting, and that's why current years, that thought is Sorry,
Yeah,
slogan is
yeah. Aditya,
restoration.
one thing I forget to
Mm-hmm.
say that
Yeah.
according to research, there means one person there is 18 trees. You know, one person for 18, 1% 18 trees. So
18 trees per person, yeah. Yeah.
18 trees for
Right.
one person. So this is like other side. And if you look the industries, you know, plant industries,
Hmm.
if you include this all like population, if you anyhow you include this like their pollutions, so I think it reduced too much, you know. Yeah, like 18 trees for one person is very reduced for
Very
one
much,
tree for
yeah,
one
it is very
person.
much
Yeah,
Very
less
much
yeah.
less,
carbon
yeah.
I would say.
According,
Like
yeah.
that.
According.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. So yeah, so that's why we got to know that environment is actually depleting, and that's why to like this year's slogan is restoration, ecosystems restoration, right?
Yeah,
So let's
Yep.
discuss why this depletion happened. Okay, let's get to one by one. I want to start first. So basically, what I think this the main reason for this depletion of the whole our mother nature earth is due to usage of like these fossil fuels. Most of
Carbon
like they
emission.
emit carbon gases, like the
Yeah,
sorry, yeah,
coastal
these
area have
greenhouse
more
gases.
carbon. Yeah, yeah, sure, sure, sure.
Yeah,
Yeah, perfect.
yeah, so they releases greenhouse gases, and we already know the effects of greenhouse gases, like they have risen the planet's temperature by 10 degrees celsius in last 2 decades, I think.
yeah,
And also, yeah,
Yeah,
it's very much so
yeah.
much harmful. So that's why we are trying to actually Google has recently made an announcement, like by 2030 they will be carbon free. They
Oh,
want, and they also want the world to be
Apple
carbon free.
also.
Apple also.
Apple.
Hmm.
Also.
So like how do you think like what do you think, like how government or the world should take action to reduce this carbon emission and to encourage more on this sustainable energy and the efficient energy ways? What do you think? Let's start with Akhil, like he was quite for a long time.
no, okay, so I want, so I think that to reduce the fossil fuels and all, uh, uh,
Hmm.
the reliability on renewable sources like wind energy and solar energy is the like the easiest and the cheapest manner. Because if you
Hmm.
try to like use electricity and all, that electricity is produced somewhere, sometimes in the by coals and all those things. Okay, so like some
Yeah,
part of
basically by
electricity is produced by hydroelectric dams or
Yeah.
nuclear power plants or something. But majorly, if we will use the solar power, like in an efficient way, or we should focus more on that thing, they can possibly reduce a huge amount of fossil fuels and can save tons of coals and etc. in producing electricity. Like we can use homes with solar panels and all. We are reading it from our childhood. Okay, but we are not
Mhm.
doing those things. The colleges, schools, or government institutes should rigidly follow that thing. Okay,
Right.
and one more thing is use of public transport. Obviously, like
Hmm.
In Japan, actually, what happens is they mostly use trains and all. So instead of
Hmm.
every people don't own a car or etc. So but in India or developed countries, other developed countries, car is treated as a luxury or something. People actually don't have choice enough choices to travel from one place to another by use of public transport, because we know the actually the what is the status of public transport in our country. So these are very small things, like which can be used to save a little by little bit. Like you can switch off the fans or etc. when not in use. You can like uh, correctly stop the what we say tape nulls etc. in your house or something. So every little by little help you do, you contribute in the
Yeah,
mother
actually
nature,
every
those
step
counts.
counts. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. Every step
Yeah.
counts. And also, I would like to add, the usage of fossil fuels is almost 84% in the whole world. I'm saying about the whole world. Its usage is only 84%. Is sorry, is 84%, and what like the other efficient resources, and one of them is the nuclear power. It's very efficient, yeah, but it's a little costlier like to install in the first time. But like the countries like France and
But
Sweden,
but
they have
actually,
already
I
installed.
think like nuclear power plants cost like it also cost us something. I can know that Pranjal will know more about that thing because he's related to
Yeah,
that
yeah.
field. Like,
I want to
so I
say
want
about
to
this.
know the like toxicity and wastage they produce while producing electricity by power plant.
Actually,
Hmm.
according to means as a chemical, we read that
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
storage of petroleum like from today like 100 years. According to our use, it reduced to about 18 years or 17 years, and or about for fossil fuels, like it is like about 14 years from today. And
Okay, and after
according
that
to
it will
our
vanish.
yeah, according to our need, it may be reduced, and the rules and regulation about minings are like the age of minings is like 14 years, 40 years. And if you look at that Korba Balko, that mines that
Hmm.
from Chhattisgarh, that I think it produce it means it the best mining areas. It
Right.
so
Raigad is
so
also there.
yeah, so if you look the Korba, it is like more than 14 years. It means it is not stopped like today. And it is important to stop that mining. If not, then it will. And for that nuclear energy, so
Yeah.
our India look for nuclear energy most, like we were working in nuclear plants, for place to nuclear plants in India more. So
Right.
like from where we get that uranium. So we don't look for uranium because the most we are not friendly with United States, means it changes, it is not friend with us, like when he wants, he break with us. So we look for plutonium, which is present in India in most. So that is why I think thorium, yeah, plutonium, one of this so we look that it is like it is take one process that means we searching about that for that reactor, means in nuclear reactor. So
Yeah.
when we success, we started that and we and
Yeah.
as a universe, like as in world, we I think like widow power, something like that,
Hydro power. Yeah.
means yeah, we means 1 minute, means for that we need like permits from other country too for that, I think.
Yeah.
So we look for that too, like for the government, means the government is working on that, but our like politics, people don't understand that what government doing for us.
Let's not jump to government and all. Let's
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, we not
Yeah.
jumping the
Yeah.
okay.
government.
So let
I, mm, Actually, I have
And
something on this. Yeah.
one thing that our India is like more, means like back. Our highways are built today, and the petroleum are not with us like in that amount, because like you see other country, they are like developed country, and they are like they use that petrol, like we enjoy that adventure, means we enjoy like environment, well, like that we not enjoy that petrol, like in means what I want to say, like right now our roads are means like अरे यार 1 minute, like we have less amount of petrol, and
we have
in
more
present,
roads.
and Yeah, we have more. No, actually, we have good roads today. You know
Okay,
that
okay.
today our good roads is starting. Means
Oh,
and but after the connection of all the areas of good roads completed,
the
at
petrol
that
will
time
not be
we have
available.
yeah, what I want.
Okay, no problem.
So at that time we switch out we switch up to that use like solar batteries, means batteries cars
Battery
and
operated
vehicles.
cars and vehicles.
Yeah, vehicles.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So,
So at that time we think about that, we think the past, like we started the battery cars and vehicles right at present time.
okay.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So, so you say Pranjal.
I think I I mess up all the thing at
No
one
problem.
time.
You
Okay,
try
okay,
to
okay,
look
okay.
at
Okay.
matters. Okay.
Yeah.
So you take some rest after a little while. We will come to you again. So,
Okay.
Yeah.
I have added some shortage of petroleum of India due to the consumption of the main population of India. Many developing country use the public transport, just
Yeah.
like metro,
yeah,
public bus. But in India, everyone want to travel with his car,
yeah,
bike, and
yeah.
everything.
Exactly.
Right.
That is the
Yeah,
problem.
Yeah.
That's true.
We
Yeah.
don't use that public transport. You know, we need our own R15 like.
Yeah, the dream of every person.
No offense.
R15
No
Aero is
offense.
where.
Okay, no problem.
No offense.
R15 or scooty or whatever. Eh,
Yeah. Whatever.
Yeah. Sorry, it is like for fun. You know.
Yeah. Just
The dream of Pranjal actually.
yeah.
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 Yeah, I have
So
also
yeah. Hmm.
I have to also say a fun fact. In 1998 and 99, exact I didn't recognize the exact year. Government tell the Reliance that you have a many factory and you are producing the air pollution more than your capacity. You have to do something, otherwise you have to minimize your factory.
okay.
Right.
Then Reliance do that. They planted the mango tree alongside the factory area,
Oh,
and today Reliance is the one of the largest producer of mango in Asia.
Wow.
that's
Wow.
That's nice.
that's
That,
nice.
Nice.
That's a nice comeback. Long comeback. Planned comeback.
yeah, like how a businessman could think of, like he could
Yeah.
have been
Exactly.
planted a non-fruit plant, but he thought
Yeah.
that let's just plant a mango tree and we will eat Alfonso and we will advertise Maja and all. That things could be done. Okay.
Yeah.
Dhirubhai Ambani.
We should learn how to control the ecosystem by the business model,
Yeah.
Definitely.
because
Yeah.
we have to need plant the factory for development of our country, but we have to balance them.
Right.
Obviously, yeah.
Balance the
Development should
ecosystem and
not hamper
pollution.
the mother earth. Okay. So
Yeah,
Anubhav,
environment.
let's come to Anubhav because Anubhav, I think like he has something to say up his sleeve.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. I want to add 2 points. Like how can we control like this degradation of like our environment, right? So the 2 points like we are not recycling our wastage, right? Most of wastage. That's the real problem, right? So if we start like recycle our wastage, most of wastage, then we can control in some amount, right?
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
And like if in our transport system, like most of our transport system, like bus which we are using or trains, so much undated trade, right? Trains, but all other are like diesel based and they are not so much updated like today transport. Yeah, they release most of the most pollution.
Yeah.
So I think we have to update them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's 2 point which I want to add.
Okay, that's all from your side.
And also the meaning of like ecosystem restoration. I want to say the real meaning. Yeah, yeah. Ecosystem restoration means preventing, halting, and reserving this damage. Yeah, like to go from exploiting nature to healing it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah, according to you and not me.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah,
yeah,
that's it from me.
So let's come to
From my side.
Manish. Yeah, so
Yeah, Manish.
Alok wants to say
Hello.
yeah,
something.
Hello. Hello.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So Manish, you can continue after you. I guess.
Okay, okay, Alok. So on the environment day, I like to say basically the theme of this environment day is ecosystem restoration. So basically, what degrade the ecosystem is the greenhouse gases, mainly the carbon emission. So Aditya said in 2 decades the temperature of the earth rises about 10 to 5 degrees Celsius. So basically, it happens because of the carbon emission. Because Akhil also said about something car uses, and people like to own their own cars. Basically,
Right.
they don't want to use public transportations like in the countries of developed or developing countries. So basically, that is a very not a bad thing to do. And like Akhil said one point that we are have to a good energy resource in the future like wind energy or solar energy said, but is not cost effective, I think, because wind turbines basically not provide a good price effectiveness because it has a life of about 10 to 12 years and it also degraded at that time. It do not have a longer life. So we need to look for good energy resources in the future. Like in few days ago, China has developed their own artificial sun.
Yeah, I
Sun.
listened about that.
Yeah, yeah. China developed their
Yeah.
own artificial. They are looking for the new energy resources that will benefit the future and the environment.
For
And
sure.
They,
basically,
China, China
they,
also made artificial moon.
I just wish that
yeah,
the sun
yeah,
doesn't explode. Like
yeah. They are developing new energy for their users because they are a huge population and they emit very much good amount of carbon emission to the environment, and basically the sea level is also rising because of that. Government set rules for the companies to emit low amount of carbon, but they have to manage their cap- growth. So they are going to produce more carbon emission in the future, and basically fossil fuels are going to last for about 10 to 15 years, I think. So that is a good reason to concern for the future of the country, how we should develop energy for the future of the country and in future purposes. So that is a good thing. uh, we need to think about how we can produce energy from in future and how should we sustain the environment, because we cannot depend on fossil fuel forever or anything. So basically, solar energy, like Akhil said, solar energy is the best way to produce energy. And basically, about a week ago, I think a company in India tied with a France company for solar energy production. They basically float the whole solar power plant in the water on a lake and
अंजलि के वाईफाई कहाँ है
generate
दीदी?
energies. Yeah, yeah. That's I like to say. Then Alok.
Okay. So I have 3 to 4 points to add up actually. Uh, Starting from the Amazon and Google point of view, that Adi said that in till 2030 Google is going to be a carbon free. So actually I read a fact, I read an article about Amazon that
Mm-hmm.
Amazon and Amazon and Google, like big tech companies, they are
Mm-hmm.
using AI and ML for the for the searching of that fossil fuels deep down the ground. Actually,
Mm-hmm.
the searching process is quite a high, much costlier, no?
Mm-hmm.
So they are using that AI technology so that they can identify where the bulk module is located, and they can dug up
Yeah.
efficiently, so that the process of digging up will be efficient, and we will be more efficient in getting the fossil fuels from the ground.
Right.
So uh, till now, the Middle East companies, the Arabs, are leading the world in this domain. But
Yeah.
now
Yeah.
these big tech companies are moving towards this goal. For oil is the new gold, actually
Yeah.
we can say,
Yeah.
and
Liquid
they
gold.
have liquid gold, or actually they have captured the uh, the real gold, the data. That's the future gold. So they want to be the
Yeah.
super kings. So and one more point that Anubhav said about recycling, that I want to actually, recycling is not that efficient way to be, we can say, uh, efficient way to for this environment, because the recycling of certain plastic is more costlier than producing it. Like if you have gone through a Mumbai activist, I actually don't know, Sir Faraz, something like that he has named. Actually, he is activist and he is cleaning up the beaches. So I go through one of his documentary, and he said actually the recycling process is not that efficient. We can't recycle each and every piece of plastic, and that's the main.
Alok, will you like distance
Yeah.
your mic a little bit away from your mic?
Okay,
Yeah.
is it okay?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so he said you can't recycle each and a piece of plastic, and and recycling actually is more costlier than the actually producing the raw materials. So that's why is not much efficient, and mainly the plastic that we produce, and the companies usually prefer that raw materials and all that. So the process is not that much of efficient, and we can say friendly for the economy. So that's on, and on the other behalf, if you'll go for YouTube search also how recycling is more efficient, and you can find out that it's not the better way, I think. And for the other part, we can actually produce that type of goods which actually decomposes themselves also.
Yeah.
And I am going through a chemistry article. I don't actually know, I was in 12th that time, I read about it. So when we read about that polycarbonate chain, na, so they are carbon, and long chains. This that's
Polymers.
actually made the polymers. So one scientist have suggested that if we somehow dug up the starch in between that polycarbonate chain, so carbon bond will be loosened up, and that the hydrogen bond, which sorry, the carbon bond, that wonder what force and all that stuff. I will not go at that deep, but starch, molecule of starch, if that goes in between the chain, that the polymers can easily be broken, and that that polythene that produced from that process will more be easily dissolvable to our environment. So that's I think I have to say. And about last point, that actually I want to mention, but Manish mentioned that earlier about the nuclear fusion. Actually, Manish and we,
Yeah.
I have the same kind of YouTube playlist, so that's why we actually, yeah, what we can say, have the
Yeah.
similar kind of thought process.
Thoughts.
And yeah, and I want to mention one of the activists, Greta Thunberg. You all have about
Yeah.
actually heard about it
Yeah.
when this Kisan
Yeah.
Andolan has gone up. So she has raised one of the most, what one can say, the inspiring slogan, that is keep it in the ground. Actually, she said about it for the fossil fuels, that keep it in the ground, and that's you can search it on YouTube. That is very beautiful song, keep it in the ground. So she activist about the fossil fuel, that we don't have to dug up from the ground when the what we can say burning of that fossil fuel emit more carbon dioxide, and that leads to global warming and all that stuff. That's all. So that's what my part of knowledge I want to add up. That's all.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically, I can say the
Yes.
bottom line is prevention is better than cure, right? So we have to
Yeah.
like produce less plastic, or we have to produce biodegradable plastic, and not as to focus on recycling, right? And other thing is like about the carbon emission, we have to like we have to develop our technology so that we can create a efficient way of producing energy. Like
Yeah.
I saw, like I have one data in my mind. The nuclear power plants actually, it degraded from 18% to 15% in 2018. Like it is efficient, but we are not using it. And Akhil mentioned about the
Where? In India.
no, in the whole world, like from 18% to 15%. And Akhil said like the radioactive wastage, like, right?
Yeah,
So
actually, I don't know
Yeah.
there
about
should, we
that
should.
thing, and I want to know if someone
Mhm.
knows,
Yeah.
one of you knows about the like consequences of generating electricity through nuclear, and like affecting the what is the effects of nuclear power plants on the surrounding or atmosphere.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
I read somewhere
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
I
Japan is what it is dumping its
Reducing,
nuclear
yeah,
wastage in the ocean.
nuclear power plants, right.
So like just
actually,
keep.
actually the yeah,
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, Akhil, Akhil.
No, no, you say
Actually,
Pranjit.
if we once we for like today we use nuclear energy,
Mm-hmm.
like we fission in that,
Mm-hmm.
we need a nuclei to like for that we use if once we use like all the equipment for using that
Will be
in that
radioactive.
yeah, like once
Mm-hmm.
we one time we use it it gives lots of energy for lot of
Yeah, for decades
decades.
consider it. Yeah.
Yeah. So it is over, like, but the
Hmm.
equipments we use one time, it is like
Mm-hmm.
that much radiations in that it takes like 14 years 15 years for that that
Radiation.
To be
come out
radioactive
from
free, yeah.
come out yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
we need like types of water, like not normal water.
High
We like
water.
Heavy water, indeed.
mixing of liquid.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is heavy water is for
Controlling actually,
for
yeah, right.
process
Controlling the
of that
process.
nuclear. But
Chain reaction
yeah,
process.
but for equipment storation, for that we need water too, like we need liquid too for that, because it has a radiation. But water is a thing that in all the for not electricity, except electricity we use in all. So for that equipment it like we for that it stores like 14 years. Like I search for that
Baba, yeah.
not bhaba.
Jahangir Baba, only
uh,
Jahangir Baba.
yeah, so in that I think world documentary have one documentary for that nuclear power plant, how it works. So I watched that, and I after that in our chemical that book it is like that. So it takes 40 to 14 years, that much. So that's why the our Indian scientists look this all, like if we generate more electricity from that fission nuclear power plant, so we need more equipment day by day, and where we store that radioactive equipment.
Yeah.
So this all as considered, we look like nicely matlab
Planned.
plants we yeah plant that for that. So it takes time. So it and one thing that the China he's used that fusion, and that fusion, if small means small, we mistake, we do a small mistake, it covers all the China for that mistake. Fusion is a higher energy for a small second, higher energy.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
and fusion has a small, fusion has a not that much. So Joe's like Joe, how was Joe's and China's?
Okay. So
How
it's
was Joe's?
it's around more than, I can guess, it's more than 30 minutes. It's almost 40 minutes.
30
So
minutes, I think. Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
will
Yeah,
I
yeah.
want to wrap up the if someone wants to say, Rishabh, do you want something to say?
Happy.
I want to ask question.
Okay,
When
ask
Yeah,
please.
when India hosts the Environment Day,
Yeah.
What?
where in
in
India?
which year?
What?
Basant
In which year? I don't know.
Started
No idea.
celebrating the
sorry,
environment.
Risa.
In which year India hosts the World Environment Day?
Host.
Yeah,
Uh,
Oh,
Somewhere in the 90s.
2018.
Oh, 2018.
2018. Yeah, and slogan
So
was
recent.
Plastic pollution.
beat the plastic pollution.
huh,
Yeah, it,
one thing I include that the about recycle of plastic. Akhil, one day Akhil sent me the types of plastic and percentage of recycled about that plastic and this. So I researched that about that bonding of plastic. So you that we actually when we stop the using plastic and the plants are stop manufacturing plants plastic, this is the main if it manufacturing people use that anyhow people get and use it. The thing is on when government take actions of that industries, and this is the main point. And
Actually,
recycle,
we
if
should
we
use the
recycle that,
least
then yeah,
actually we should
yeah,
use
yeah,
the
yeah,
least
least,
damaging plastic, or the plastic which can degrade more fastly than other plastic, because
Yeah, exactly.
yeah, whether it costs a higher or whatever. So Pranjal, you continue, and let's take an oath
yeah, there is,
to do something.
okay.
Whenever we go to
And
some place, some natural place, we could collect 10 out or 20 or 15 plastic wrappers or plastic things and dump in the right, like dustbin and all.
Yeah.
Okay. I have one thing to say, sorry. From about 1 or 2 months ago, I have this idea like came into my mind. So basically, I
Yeah.
want to spread a word about this environment thing. Like whenever we are traveling, like we have went to some somewhere in like Meghalaya or somewhere in any tourist place, we are traveling to there. So just take out like if 10% of your whole whole your traveling part, like 10% of it, like if you are planning for 4 days package, then just take out somewhere around 6 hours or something like that, and just in that part, what you will be doing, just clean the whole area wherever you are, just wherever you are traveling to, or where, yeah, just clean that area in that 10% of the time, and the rest of the time just enjoy. So this will be so much impactful, like
Yeah, it's
everyone
nice,
who are traveling or
but
who are just
it should not be,
hmm,
like, it's good, but it is not. It should not be confined to Meghalaya or something. You could, and we could start from our home, because it is also a nature, that is
no,
also a nature.
it was just an
Yeah,
hmm,
example.
Tarapur.
I know.
no, it's just an example. Like if you are moving to anywhere, like you are in Goa
Okay,
or
yeah.
any place, just clean it like before leaving it in the 10% of your time. Like if you are like roaming, it could be a public park also. Like if you are going to public
Yeah,
park
yeah.
for just 2 hours, just spend 10 minutes or 20 minutes cleaning it, and that's it. Like it will be so impactful. Like if each of us will be cleaning the area that you
Yeah,
are traveling to, it will be cleaner in almost no day.
Yeah.
Yeah,
yeah.
thank you, Alok. So I was also about to mail this idea to Abhi and New, so that they could share in their platform. and it will start making impact.
Okay, so let's do one thing. Like we could do whenever we will go to something, or we
Yeah, whenever
could just kick
next
it off
time
and wrap up.
when we will move to any place like for traveling, we'll just clean that place, taking out 10% of our total time.
Okay, I can't guarantee
Sure.
10% of the time, but if I will
Yeah, but
be
at least some
able to
percent
get,
time.
but I will do that. Okay, so I will
Yeah.
just wrap up the
I
meet
too.
by reading the Ratan Tata's tweet. Okay,
Yeah.
Yeah.
so to create an Indian environment with fresh air to breathe, clean water to drink, nutritious food which no one left hungry, and a way to care for everyone's health should be the priority for you and me on this environment day.
Wow.
Oh,
So let's wrap up
So
the
incredible thought.
it
Yeah.
was a
yeah.
multidisciplinary meet. Okay. So let's
Yeah.
I'm stopping the recording.
Yeah.
Sure.
Bye bye.
Okay. Bye
Bye.
everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.